In the vast and mysterious depths of our oceans, where the struggles of survival are played out on a grand scale, a surprising phenomenon unfolds: unlikely partnerships between the ocean's apex predators, sharks, and other marine creatures. These alliances, while not as common as terrestrial symbioses, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance and health of marine ecosystems. In today's exploration, we dive into the fascinating world of shark allies, these unexpected team-ups that defy our usual understanding of life beneath the waves. Imagine a scenario where cleaner fish approach the menacing jaws of a shark, peering into its mouth without fear. At first glance, it seems like a daredevil act, but this scenario is an excellent example of mutualism. Cleaner fish, such as the tiny cleaner wrasse, boldly enter the mouth and gills of sharks to remove parasites and dead skin. In return for their daring service, they receive a regular meal. This fearless act not only ensures health benefits for the shark, but also promotes tidiness within the ecosystem. It's a win-win where fear is replaced by trust, showcasing a relationship built on mutual benefit rather than predation. Turning our gaze to the open ocean, one cannot overlook the companionship of sharks and pilotfish. Often seen riding alongside enormous sharks, pilotfish are granted protection from predators in return for eating leftovers from shark meals. This partnership, formed out of a shared journey through the ocean, brings pilotfish under the shark's protective stewardship. This relationship has evolved to the point where pilotfish seem to regard the shark almost as a mobile shield, allowing them to traverse dangerous waters safely, proving that in the wild waters, strength in numbers sometimes takes the form of collaboration. Beyond these one-on-one partnerships, sharks also play crucial roles within entire ecosystems, triggering a chain reaction of benefits known as trophic cascades. By targeting and keeping prey populations, such as rays and smaller fish in check, sharks indirectly support healthier seagrass beds. Such plant life creates habitats for a myriad assortment of species, from tiny invertebrates to large turtles. It is a remarkable cascade effect where the presence of sharks ensures a thriving ecosystem, emphasizing the pivotal role of sharks not merely as fearsome predators, but as stewards of environmental equilibrium. Furthermore, certain species have developed roles as ecosystem engineers. Take, for example, tiger sharks in seagrass meadows. Their predation influences the behavior of grazers like sea turtles and dugongs. To avoid becoming prey themselves, these grazers prevent overgrazing by frequently moving, which results in balanced, healthy meadows with diverse flora. Thus, even the perceived threat of predation helps maintain order and foster biodiversity, an incredible testament to the shark's unintentional yet crucial environmental impact. In understanding these associations, one cannot underestimate the wonders of natural balance. These mutualistic relationships highlight the complexity and intelligence embedded within oceanic life, as creatures great and small collaborate for mutual survival. By studying and preserving these partnerships, we unlock vital insights into the sustainability of marine environments. As we conclude our journey through these aquatic alliances, let us reconsider the roles of sharks beyond the misconceptions of blind aggression. They represent anchors in their habitats, both fierce hunters and guardians of ecological integrity. Protecting these often misunderstood giants allows the intricate web of marine life to flourish, securing the ocean's future, the heart of our living planet. The next time you hear the ominous tune associated with sharks, perhaps it will bring to mind not only their fearsome nature, but also the nuanced harmony they foster beneath the waves.